Hello guys, today I will gonna show you how can we fix when our laptop is typing same character like this. When I touch on this search bar, as you see, this kind of error happen on my computer. So to fix this error, first we have to input the keyboard, this keyboard, to our laptop. After that, we need to this numlock, it's on. So on this keyboard we have to touch this numlock keyboard to close this light. As you see, it's off. When I touch this, it's on. When I touch this again, it's off. Okay, so we have to off this numlock, then out this keyboard, and let me see now. Yeah, right, the problem is fixed. We can write what we want. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.